Welcome, and thank you for watching another Christian Painters YouTube video. Today we are starting the paint work on this home in Mansfield, Texas. You're looking at Bernardo up there cutting in on the dog houses, or dormers up there on that steep pitch. I'm going to go ahead and back away here. You'll be able to see our prep work. You can see there's not a ton of primer on this house. It wasn't in that bad a shape, but you can see all the caulk lines there. You can see where we started to put the paper up so that we can spray out that brown and these kind of things. It's a beautiful home. I want to point out these windows here. Really nice looking wood trim on the windows. It's going to be a two-tone house. It's that darker brown there is on all the trim, and then that lighter beigey brown there on all the siding. Well, hey, thank you very much for watching another Christian Painters YouTube video. The house that we're painting here now is not going to change a whole lot. The color is going to stay the same, but it'll obviously look better when we're done. So be sure to tune back in and watch the final video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We sure appreciate it and hope to talk to you soon.